Yeah, this is Raminfotech from Ambattur. So I came here for the laptop servicing. My laptop was way too slow, and they have suggested me with 4 GB RAM to be installed, but still it was slow. Then they advised me to take the SSD card, which actually helped. Now I can see my computer working very well. It looks like new now. So I'm very happy for the service, and I saw the reviews on Google, and then I came here, and I'm really happy that I chose Raminfotech. Thank you.